Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to voice message on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to voice message on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and after that open the chat box of the person to whom you want the voice message. And after that, you can see guys over here at the bottom of the screen. Let's go back. You can see there is a mic icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. If you tap and hold on it, this kind of interface will appear. You can see over here now. Can slide to cancel the recording. Now in order to voice message, tap on it. Now in order to voice message, you'll be required to tap and hold the message. So let's tap and hold on it, and you will be required to enter the message or speak the message over here, and it will be sent. You can see guys, the voice message was sent over here like this. And again, you can do is tap and hold on it and record the message, and it will be sent like this. You can see. And guys, this is how to voice message on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.